Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cotton candy ice cream. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, such as 2 cups of heavy cream, 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, and 1 teaspoon of cotton candy flavoring. You will also need a chilled mixing bowl and whisk. This process is surprisingly simple and yields a wonderfully whimsical dessert that everyone will adore. Let's dive into creating this delightful, colorful treat together. To begin, pour 2 cups of very cold, heavy cream into your chilled mixing bowl. Using an electric mixer, whip the cream on medium-high speed for approximately 3 to 5 minutes until soft, fluffy peaks begin to form. Next, carefully fold in 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk. Be gentle here. We want to keep that lovely, airy texture. Mix just until the ingredients are combined, no more. Now for the fun part. Add 1 teaspoon of cotton candy flavoring to your creamy base. For that signature look, stir in a few drops of pink or blue food coloring until you achieve your desired vibrant hue. Finally, gently fold in about 1 cup of shredded cotton candy. This adds a wonderful texture and bursts of flavor. Be sure to distribute it evenly throughout the mixture for consistent deliciousness. Once your mixture is ready, carefully pour it into a freezer-safe container. Use a spatula to smooth the top evenly, ensuring a consistent freeze. Place the container in your freezer for a minimum of 6 hours. For the best, firmest results, I recommend freezing it overnight. When it's perfectly set, scoop out generous portions and enjoy your delightful, homemade cotton candy ice cream in a cone or bowl.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.